company is rapidly growing right now, and the name recognition has been much better. And then our client base is broadening, especially the electrical vehicle markets, where we have been very successful this year. So all in all, I would say more and more clients recognize the value of our equipment. New products is coming out, especially for the electrical vehicle market. We're expanding the building here in Kalmar. We are also building the new headquarters, US headquarters in Wichita. Wichita will be a demo facility with 3 or 4 machines from our portfolio. We will have service people, spare parts, so it's easier for the customers to do also their testing in our machines. We have a lot of new machines coming up, especially the one for larger extrusions, which is a machine for aluminum extrusions, but more dedicated to larger extrusions than the current HHV we have. So we will have 2 extrusion machine types available to the market. We actually have one more machine. It's a twin spindle machine for battery trays, and it's also focusing towards the electrical vehicle market. So those 2 machines will be ready very shortly.